What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a first basic review and a first look at the L3 fitness tracker smartwatch, which has a heart rate monitor and a blood pressure monitor as well. This watch can go from anywhere between $30 to $40. And before we begin today, make sure you guys subscribe and like my video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new regular videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. And we have quite a bit of new gadgets to talk about and look at this year. So make sure you guys subscribe and don't miss out. And I'm gonna have a my affiliate link in the video description below, which will take you to eBay and trusted sellers. So if you guys do decide to purchase this watch after this video, you guys could do that using my affiliate link, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Now let's begin by looking at this watch. Now this watch comes in 4 variations. It's going to come in black, blue, orange, and let me see what the other color is as well. Also brown. So quite a few variations. And this watch also looks quite a bit like its other watches by the same manufacturer, which is the L5 and L8. But I think the difference here is mainly in the user interface, which kind of looks different in the styles of the menus. But in terms of its features, I don't think they're too different. Even in terms of its looks, it's still very similar. You could really barely tell the difference. So let's take a look at it. We're gonna put it on and see how it looks like on a wrist. So I've always liked these watches from the L5, L3 to the L8. Just because I feel like these are very stylish watches for a very budget price. Especially with the case, which kind of looks like carbon fiber, which probably is a mixed blend. But I like the style. It seems very sporty. And the silicone band. And it's, it's not just a fitness tracker. I feel like you can really wear this watch going out, going to the gym, or even just being active. So it's really an all-purpose watch to me. Now this watch comes with a full touchscreen and 2 functional buttons right here. So this one's to turn on. Actually, both of them you can turn on the screen with them. But you can also use gesture control, which you don't have to, push any buttons to turn on the screen. One thing I don't like about the silicone bands is that, as you can see, you can collect dust pretty easily, and it's, but it's also pretty easy to get them off as well. Now, let's explore some of the features on this watch. This is a full touchscreen. Now, let's check out some of the default watch faces that this watch comes with. How you do that is you long press the main watch face. It looks like this is actually the only watch face that this comes with, which kind of sucks because I think, as I remember from the L5 and the L8, they actually come with a few watch faces, so don't get bored. But this one only comes with one, as it seems like. Now, let's see how we can go through some of the features. This is the pedometer, which will tell you the calories, distance, and steps you have taken. Pretty standard. Your heart rate monitor. How you would just measure your heart rate would be just go to the function and then just leave it on the same screen for about 5 seconds, as we have just seen, and that will give you a reading. And once it gives you a final reading, it will give you a vibrate kind of alert to let you know that it's done. You also have a blood pressure reader, sleep monitor, I do feel like the screen here is not too sensitive, but that pretty much is it for the functions on this watch. In my opinion, the look on this watch is very nice. I like the style about it. It's got aesthetics that I don't mind wearing out and going to the gym. So really all-purpose watch for me. In terms of its features, it's like very standard. It's got your basic fitness tracking functions. So your pedometer, your heart rate, your blood pressure, sleep monitor. So something for about $30. It's not bad. I am a little disappointed about how it only has one watch face. I thought they had the ability to actually fit in more watch faces like with the other similar watches from the same manufacturer, but they did not. But for something about $30 to $40, if you can get it for about $30, I think that's a bargain for the style of the watch. Very standard fitness functions, so nothing outstanding there. But for what it's worth, I do like its look. It doesn't feel cheap, and it's got the functions that you just need. Very basic fitness functions. So that's pretty much it, and concludes my basic review of the L3 smartwatch. Make sure you guys have subscribed to my channel, and like my video, and I will see you guys soon and next time.